Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11, 10 printer icon not showing in devices and printers. First method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type msdt.exe /id printer diagnostic. Second method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H key local machine, click and expand software, click and expand Microsoft, click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version, click and expand Explorer, click and expand desktop. Click and expand namespace, create new key, paste from description, change default value data to printers. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Print Queues, right-click Printer, click Update Driver. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.